How to fix Snapchat friends Bitmoji not showing up. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is go to the Play Store application and make sure that your Snapchat application is updated to its latest version on your device. So just go to Snapchat, and as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to go back and then make a long press on Snapchat, then tap on app info. After that, it will lead me to a new page of app info where I can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on clear data. You can clear cache over here. Then you can tap on app permission and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here. After that, you can just tap on power button and restart a device and your problem might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.